Hello and a warm welcome to the presentation of the EVO 280. EVO 280 in the multi-crop generation. My name is Cornelich Fürstenau. I am the business unit manager at GRIMME Landmaschinenfabrik, and I have the honor of introducing this new machine to you today, especially highlighting what has changed on this machine. Yes, multi-crop simply means that you can harvest several different types of crops. Of course, it all starts at the front with the intake. We have installed an intake that can be changed in under 5 minutes. For this, we have a standardized and integrated system that can be decoupled without the need for any tools, mechanically as well as hydraulically and electrically. And with this, I am able to remove this intake unit and install another one in its place. The intake can always be automatically identified in the terminal and can then be loaded immediately so that I can always recognize the very last settings on the machine. The parallelogram bars behind me guarantee and ensure that this multi-crop intake smoothly and evenly transfers the acting forces into the frame at all times, which effectively provides us with a decoupling between the machine and the intake. What this essentially means for the operator is that even if the machine is driving on uneven ground, the intake consistently follows the ridge and lifts the potatoes, tubers, or any other root products I want to harvest at the desired depth. These could be celeriac, red beets, carrots, onions, or whatever else you might grow. There are virtually no limits to your imagination, and we have a wide variety of specifically designed intakes available for that. That is the first major change. This intake is still available with a classic first sieving belt, but also with an intake wall if that is desired. Yes, multi-crop wouldn't be multi-crop if this didn't extend to the entire machine. That's exactly why up there on the third separating device, we now have the option to switch between the Clod-Sep finger stripper and the Easy-Sep roller stripper, sheep. This setup is once again intended for crops that require more cleaning. In those cases, I typically use the Clod-Sep finger stripper there. However, where less cleaning is needed, or when I am working with potatoes that have already been destoned, I can easily install an Easy-Sep roller stripper there instead. Yes, further along the machine, quite a few things have changed, especially for the sorting staff. We now have a highly versatile modular platform, which is uniquely characterized by the fact that we now have an easily extendable sorting table spot located on the right side. There are also 2 fully height adjustable platforms available once again, so that the staff members can always work comfortably at the sorting table, perfectly adjusted to their respective individual heights. On the left side of the machine, I can choose between several different foreign material channels, depending specifically on exactly how much foreign material I have at each specific location. Exactly, in cases where this is desired, it is also possible to integrate a pre-cleaning unit for wheat on the sorting table, which removes small potatoes or other foreign materials that are below a certain diameter. Yes, the EVO 280 is generally known for its very high separation and throughput performance. And to provide even more support for all of these systems and to relieve the burden on the driver, we naturally have some additional features that contribute to this. These include, among others, Speedtronic Web and Speedtronic Sepil. These are our fully automated control functions for the sieve belt and separator device speeds, which greatly relieve the driver's workload. But for the first time on the 280 multi-crop, Speedtronic Cruise is also available, which can automatically adjust the tractor speed to the machine's specific workload. This means that the machine tells the tractor how fast it can drive. If desired, the driver can also operate the entire machine via iSobus, provided the tractor is equipped for it. This means that both the terminal and the tractor's own control units can be used to operate this GRIMME machine. How? Yes. I hope this has sparked a good bit of interest for you. Feel free to ask your local dealer or your GRIMME sales partner for more detailed information. Contact us.